Hello, I am Gonzalo Galobart, and I am the Sustainability Program Lead for HP Additive Manufacturing. Beyond our collaborations with partners such as the one that we have with Evonik, we as an organization are also focused on internal efforts that drive sustainability across our products, our packaging, and our supply chain, while at the same time helping our customers to achieve their own sustainability goals. We want to make our products more efficient, not only in the way they use materials, by maximizing reusability and reducing waste, but also in the way they consume energy. We are also rethinking our packaging, moving towards to reducing single-use plastics, fiber-based solutions, or recycled materials. At the same time, we are working closely with our partners and customers to develop take-back programs that extend the life of our products and materials. In supply chain, we are shifting shipments from air to sea to cut emissions, and we are supporting our manufacturing partners as they transition their factories to 100% renewable electricity contracts, they install solar panels, and they work towards zero waste certifications for their factories. Transparency and education is equally important for us. That's why we are, for example, improving our HP carbon calculator, giving our customers the ability not only to assess the carbon footprint of their parts, but also to compare their printed parts with different designs, materials, and technologies. At HP, we see a future of manufacturing that it's not only about innovation, but it's also circular, renewable, and responsible. And we are committed to leading the way.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.